Hello Adesi and Pardesi friends. We have a very famous and special recipe for you today. It is the delectable butter chicken, also known as chicken makhani, and it is a dish that owes its origins to the northern part of India and cooked by people across the globe and especially loved by Indian food lovers here in the UK. So we are going to show you a very simple method for making this delectable dish. So let's start by marinating the chicken. So here I've got 1 kg of chicken and this is the chicken breast which I have cut into cubes. And to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly and make sure that the chicken is well coated, and we are going to set this aside to marinate for about half an hour. Now to a pan add very little oil and saute 3 medium-sized onions, 20 cashews, 3 medium-sized tomatoes and 2 green chilies. We've roughly chopped these. We need to cook this until the onions turn translucent and the tomatoes soften. Once the onions and tomatoes have cooled, blend it to a smooth paste. Now to the same pan we are adding 1 large tablespoon of oil and we are going to saute the marinated pieces of chicken for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, remove the pieces from the pan and set them aside. These pieces will be added to the gravy later. Now to the same pan add 1 tablespoon of butter. When making butter chicken, we use a lot of butter, and that is what gives this dish that delicious flavor. When the butter has melted thoroughly, add in the ground paste. Make sure you have the heat turned down to medium before you add this paste, otherwise it will start splashing. After about a minute or so of cooking, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and make sure that you keep stirring as this mixture cooks. Also add in half tablespoon of cumin powder. Cover and cook this for 5 minutes. Now add in 4 tablespoons of yogurt and mix thoroughly. To give this dish its authentic color, we are adding a pinch of red food color. And continue to keep stirring this mixture occasionally as it cooks to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now add in 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and continue to cook the gravy. We are also adding in 2 tablespoons of honey. This will give the dish that subtle sweet flavor. At this stage, add in 1 large heaped tablespoon of double cream. Adding cream to the gravy will give it a very rich flavor. As you continue to cook this gravy, you will notice the oil starting to separate, and now we will add in the sauteed chicken pieces. Mix well, cover and cook for a further 10 minutes on medium to low heat. And now our delectable butter chicken is ready to be enjoyed. See how perfectly the chicken has cooked in the buttery and creamy gravy. This goes splendidly well with naans or rotis. So the next time you have that special occasion at home, do try out this recipe. But before you go, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. Hope you have a lovely week ahead, and we will see you soon with another authentic mouth-watering recipe.